Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 27th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 27th day of the month, you should perform the same concentration exercise that you did on the 9th day. Adding to it, such a feature is the continuous, uninterrupted development of each element that you are focusing on. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 5, 4, 3, 4, 2. 9-digit sequence. 1, 8, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1. Exercise number 3. Help those who need help and help those who don't need any help. Help yourself when you need help and help yourself when you don't need any help. Reflect on the word help in its broadest definition and reflect on kindness as the manifestation of help. You are a kind human being, which is why you help others. You are a creator, and you have the ability to help. Every act of your creation also brings help to you. Everything that you have created also helps you. You have an infinite number of helpers, just as you help an infinite number of other people. You have universal connections with everyone. You always help everyone, and everyone always helps you. Bring society to a state of well-being and prosperity through your universal connections with everyone and mutual help. Give happiness to all, and you will find yourself in a state of general, universal harmony with all others, where God the Creator is everything that has been created around you. It is everything that you have created, and the embodiment of God in everything that has been created around you. And after you receive eternal life, the embodiment of God as your Creator will be manifested in your soul as a genuine understanding of the world in its self-development. The eternity of life is the eternity of the Creator. To be able to live forever, one must forever be created, and one must forever be recreated. You don't need to do anything in particular in order to be created forever, for we were already created for eternity, to be forever recreated. You are capable of making every one of your thoughts, every one of your movements, and every one of your deeds create eternity.